Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I just went to the health food store and I bought all these fun snacks. So I have not tried any of these before, so I'm going to try them on camera and let you know my honest review. My dog is playing right on this couch over here. He's the worst. It's like Terrible Twos, but in puppy form. Anyways, if you're interested in finding out how these all taste, then keep on watching. Oh my god! So I brought another taste tester, and which one should we try first? You want this one?
Right here.
Okay.
We're starting with Smart Sweets, sweet fish. The official opening.
Oh yeah. Oh god, my OCD. Oh my god. This is like
what? I opened it where it says to open. That's a little.
Oh, okay.
I did the instructions.
Okay.
You're not reading the instructions.
Oh, they look weird. They look like real fish.
They look like little minnows.
They look like actual. Can you see this? Probably not. Oh. Let's see. Gross. Oh, did you try one? Oh. The texture's. Oh. The texture's harder than I thought. I like them. Honestly.
They're really good.
I'm just concerned that they're basically $4 when you don't get that many.
No. But I find them very sweet.
They're good?
Like they crave your sugar cravings pretty quickly.
Kick sugar, keep candy. Slogan, would I buy again? I would. If I was like really like cutting.
Yeah. Yeah, like if you're like, or really craving candies and
Word.
you're trying to keep low sugar and low carb intake.
Fancy that. Okay, thumbs up on that one.
Thumbs up on this one. Not too shabby.
I really want to try this one. It's cookies and cream.
Wait, there's actually cookies in here?
Yeah, like it's cookies and cream over top of the almond. Pretty fancy, I know.
Okay. So we got this guy here, protein almonds. 2 times the protein of regular coated almonds. There's actually 10 grams of protein and 2 grams of sugar, so I mean that's pretty good. For how many though?
The whole box.
The whole package.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
They look like, honestly, they smell freaking good.
Oh, they smell like mini eggs.
Yeah, they do. Oh, anyways, it doesn't matter. They just look like little blobs. Okay, ready?
Little blobs.
Oh, wow! They're so good. Holy shit. Like, I want them.
Oh, 10 out of 10.
Oh my
Unbelievable.
god, you want another one?
Yeah.
Holy
So
shit.
they look like little mini eggs.
They're so good.
I can't even tell like that is an almond.
Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, well, we should eat these on the way to the gym. Wow, I feel like nothing's gonna top that.
I know. Oh wow.
Okay.
Mmm.
I'm not craving these, but we're gonna just try it. Okay, this is the spicy pumpkin seeds. I'm not like good at this whole, oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. It only has 1 gram of net carbs, so I was like, I'm in it to win it. For a third of a cup and 11 grams of protein. Okay. I feel like you need a cup.
Pumpkin seeds are usually pretty bland. Oh wow, they're small.
No, these are normal size. Pumpkin seeds.
They just seem small.
Oh, they seem very fragile.
Hmm?
Oh wow. They're spicy, but like, not outrageous. Like I'm someone that like wants my tongue to burn off, you know?
I don't know, I got a little tingle in my throat. Like I only had like 3.
Oh yeah, no, the second round's better. I think 'cause I had chocolate in my mouth. These are good. And they were only like $3.50 and it comes with a bit, so. I mean, if I was like traveling or something.
Oh whoa, I took a little handful there.
It's like a bite after.
Really good though. Would recommend.
I would do it. It looks like something that would freak me out. This can't be good. Smell it.
Smells
Like,
honey.
bite it.
Smells like an old grandma's home.
That's exactly.
Like,
Old grandma's home. Okay, try it.
peace, love, grandmas.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
No.
It just doesn't do anything for me.
You know what it tastes like? A big raisin. on, you can't say that doesn't taste like a big raisin. It has like raisin and then a little bit of walnut, and you're like,
with cinnamon. That's so funny. Honestly, for 99 cents.
oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's on sale, so I was like, heck yeah. Anyways, let's try it. Protein Break Bar.
Looks like a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
It's definitely not a Kit Kat.
10.
Noble Easy Protein. Milk chocolate protein wafer bar.
So fancy. I think it said 10
$1.29.
grams of protein per thing. It's hard to read. It's so small. It's like this big.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's like in the little crevice.
There's nothing there.
Okay.
15 grams of protein. I mean,
Hello.
no, it says right there. 15 protein, 15 grams.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay.
So I mean, these two little bars. I mean, no bigger than my fingers. Hey.
Stop.
What? What? You invite me to your video? Then don't let me talk. She's uncomfortable.
I'm not. Oh, I am. Yeah, it's fine. I'm excited. They look exactly like a Kit Kat.
Oh,
So fancy.
mini Kit Kats. So what? You can break them in half. Wicked.
I feel like it might taste very weighty. Like
No.
What the hell? No, they're wicked.
It tastes like a Kit Kat with a peanut butter wafer in the middle.
It sort of, or it reminds me of just like those vanilla wafers with chocolate coating it.
Mm-hmm.
Or something.
Chocolate's really milky. It's melting in my hand really quickly.
I buy it. Honestly, I buy everything. My favorite though, hands down, are these almonds.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Anyways, I will link everything below. All the fun stuff. They might be more expensive on Amazon. But I'm sorry, people. Don't take this all. We're going to the gym.